Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today we have the Blastastic Escapes edition of the Random Handcuff Escape. I can't remember which number Random Handcuff Escape we're up to now, but I have a load of stashed items. It wasn't meant to be like this originally. Originally it was just I had to be handcuffed with a random set of cuffs. Now apparently I have to stash the items as well.
Why do you have to stash the items though? That's cheating.
Everyone seems to like the stashed items, so I have to stash items. I have to have something hidden on me somewhere that I can escape the cuffs with. Mrs. Deadlocks chooses a random set of handcuffs that I don't know what they are. Then she has to find as many of my hidden implements as she can. I have a dog at my feet.
Trying to find the treats that's on the floor.
She has to find as many of the hidden stuff as she can, cuff me with the cuffs, and I have to then escape. But this time, Blastastic Escapes has said to handcuff me palms out. So I will be handcuffed like that, behind
Palms
my back,
out.
so I can't get to the keyways. I have to then escape.
Let's do this then. Turn around!
Leave the dog out. Yeah, I'm just going to talk loud now because I usually have my phone down there recording my voice to make it carry better, but I forgot to do that, so I'm just going to talk loud.
Okay, I'm just like messing with the camera here, and I have a selection of cuffs in front of me. Now I've decided I'm gonna go with these ones.
The section of cuffs is quite small this time.
Yeah, because like hinged and things, and
yeah, we have to go either hinged or rigid to make this work.
so they're what I'm gonna go for. I need your hands out behind your back, and arms out. Thank you. Double lock on. Okay, chinos. That's the only time you can do it. And now, as you cuff.
In the back
I can fix it in it. Oh, is there something in there? Yep, pocket pick. Pockets down here too. Oh, what's this one? Jackknife. You another pocket. How many pockets have you got? I don't have a pocket. I think I have. Well, you watch out. Probably not stop diving in. I don't need your help, thank you.
Being a sniffer dog for you.
Oh, and a key ring thing. What are you doing with that?
Able to escape with the key ring.
Liar. A key, a plastic key.
Well, it doesn't really matter because I'm not wearing gloves on it.
An inhaler and a pin. Another pin slot. How did you slot in, you cheeky little monster?
Well, I'm not going to make everything easy to find, am I? I mean, everything's easy to find, so just don't look too hard.
Where else could the things be?
Yeah.
Ah, you little monster. Hiding things everywhere on your belt loop.
I'm obviously not hiding them all enough.
You didn't. No, I've got lots. Here.
What are you back there for? You've already done that, haven't
I
you?
haven't done that. No, because there's a key in your pocket.
Well... Ow!
Well, you're going to make it like you're hiding things. The keys.
Well, I can't reach up there, can I?
Well,
Button it down now, eh?
yeah.
Okay.
I took the inhaler away. How many inhalers have you got?
At least two.
What is that? What is that? You should have bobby pins down. Do I have to check all your pockets again? Sliding bobby pins on the inside of your pockets. This is cheating.
Stop cheating.
It is. Think I've got everything.
Okay.
I think.
Okay, so now that we're half an hour in, and Mrs. Deadlocks is sure that she's found everything.
Well, let's see what I found. I found jackknife.
Oh, by the way, these HIATT folding rigids.
Keyring. Cheater.
How's that cheating?
One of them. An ESP key. One of them stretchy things. 2 bobby pins. And another blooming key. I think.
Dog ruined the backdrop again.
No, you can't really tell. There's only a tiny little bit. But Deadlocks has decided that Mr. D's feet are the perfect position. Well, yeah, I've now ruined it because now it's opened it even further. What are you doing?
Doing absolutely nothing with no hidden tools.
Well, you can't have had any. I checked all your pockets. What are you doing?
Bring them, I do.
You're trying to brute force out them.
I'm not trying to do anything. What?
Pull your hand out!
Ah, I'm free! Well, half free. That's close enough.
With what? I double locked it!
Would you like to check again?
Yes! I swear it says puppy. Every time it goes near you, you escape.
Can I have the key for this side, please? Thank you. Do you want to search again, or are you done now?
Puppy, are you cheating on me? Are you cheating? Are you cheating with Dad? You are, aren't you? You're cheating with Dad.
Mrs.
Blame you.
Deadlocks too distracted, so I'm free again. And look, I forgot to mention, Team Parker for the win. That's all from us. See you next
Cheating
time.
with my dog. Bye.
Y-Wrench does everything. Absolutely everything is fixed by a Y-Wrench.
Oh my goodness.
That is, we have like an hour and 6 minutes worth of footage now.